guys, my name is Ikea if you're new here, and if you're not, hello. Today is an errands day, a maintenance day. I had a last minute spontaneous road trip to Atlanta this weekend. So today is Thursday and we're leaving tomorrow. So I got some stuff to do. And I just have a few stores to go to finalize the beauty prep because I gotta go there looking cute, okay? So that's what we're about to do. I'm gonna take y'all along with me through the day. We're gonna get ready together, prep together, and it'll be fun. So let's go. I had to leave my Isabel. Hey, cutie. Hi, girl. I found the area where it's the ponytails. I'm just trying to debate like what type of look do I want. Oh wow, they have braided ponytails, like actual braided ponies. Wow, I did not know they had this. They might be onto something with that. I wonder how long it is. 24 inches. That's pretty neat. Wow. And they have longer ones over here. Oh wait, this is a French braid. I just wanted to show y'all. So at the beauty supply store, they have secret pocket ponytails where you just slide your braid or ponytail into this and it will cover up your entire hair. So they have it in the Organique brand. They also have it in like different brands. Like I've never heard of this one, but Made. Y'all, do not sleep on this blush. I was hoping they had more in the back, but this blush is my favorite. It's literally so cute. This is so cute. I don't even know if I showed y'all, but I ended up finding the curly ponytail that I wanted. I'm just gonna like subtly slide it on so y'all can see. But this is so cute and natural, and I can tell that if you really take care of it, you won't have any tangling problems. And I'm not even gonna fluff it out yet. I'm kind of just gonna leave the curls how it is. This is the brand of hair if you want to screenshot. My hair is brown, so I got two. And it matches pretty well. I got this pretty blue color for my toes. It literally matches the color of my nails, so I'm like, okay, this is perfect. I am starting my packing process. I'm gonna bring this fashion tape. Basically this is like sticky double-sided tape where if you have straps or strapless, you can just tape it and it'll stay in place. So I love bringing these with me. I got these from Shein. They were probably like $1 or $2, and it comes with the pack of 30. I'm also gonna pack my press-on nails because if one falls off, I want to be able to replace it. So I'm bringing my nail glue and press-ons. Everything fit in my bag very perfectly. So I decided to just come to the pool. Tanning is a part of my maintenance. First, I like to go on with this Copperstone Glow Shimmer. This is a sunscreen. Now I'm gonna go on with this Australian Gold Instant Bronzer. Oh, I forgot to put sunscreen on my face. I also forgot that I put concealer on my face for this collaboration. But then you just like spray it on yourself. The sun is out! As you can see, my tan lines is definitely there. In the shower, I put on this detox mask because I'm going to be doing like a full facial. I'm using the Frey brand Detox Me. I love this down. First of all, it's blue. Like, that's so cute to me. And then I like that it's an exfoliation. So after you let it sit, then you exfoliate your face. Just enjoy this montage of me doing my skincare for that flawless, glowy skin. So this is everything that I used on my skin. If you want to screenshot it, go ahead so you can have all of the products. I just finished painting my toes and they look so cute. I haven't had a bold color in forever, but it's so cute. And the match, it's not even gonna focus on both. The match is like really cute. I wish it would show you guys both, but it's not gonna do that. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day and I'm about to do my hair. I'm doing this on hair that already has gel on it, so it should be pretty easy to just re-slick and get it how I need it to be. I'm just gonna put it in a temporary ponytail. I'm gonna take my eco gel. This is the argan oil. I'm gonna take a little bit of this BTL Professional Extreme Performance Braiding Gel. I love using this on my hair. Gets it so sleek. And then just put it on like the perimeter of my edges. So I'm combing it through to make sure that the product isn't caked up because I feel like I put a lot on this side. Now I'm gonna brush it back. I like this right here. I don't even need the ponytail. I'm putting it into a small bun. Now, time for the ponytail. I'm gonna take a bobby pin to clip the drawstring in place. I'm gonna lay my edges with this same gel. Now I'm gonna use some Got2b glue just to make sure that it stays in place. This is my trick to having long lasting edges. Okay, now I'll take these off. Okay, this is how my hair came out. Super cute. So that's actually the end of this vlog. I got ready with you guys. Now make sure you stay tuned for the road trip because it's gonna be so much fun and good vibes. So thank you for watching. If you loved the video, make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about my hair because I think it's super cute. But I'll see y'all in the next video.